Smart glasses have moved from novelty to practical wearable computing, blending real-time translation, hands-free communication, and ambient audio into everyday tasks like travel, meetings, and collaboration. This category matters because it offers potential productivity gains, cross-language exchanges, and safer hands-free operation in driving or outdoor activities.
Product number 1. AI smart glasses with ChatGPT. This generic model emphasizes broad language coverage, 160+ languages, with UV 400 photochromic lenses and a lightweight 32-gram form factor. It combines translation, music playback, and phone calls via dual speakers and dual microphones, aiming for a compact all-in-one wearable. The 6-hour music/call window and 7 to 10 days standby claim align with its dual 85 mAh batteries. The Android Wear 2.6 base hints at mid-range software capability, while the included 2 non-standard batteries suggest a simple, replaceable power approach. The fit, lens tech, and translation emphasis position this as a travel and meetings-friendly option with a focus on practical day-to-day translation use. Performance-wise, the translation experience is central here, with a claim of 160+ languages and a free life translation app for unlimited use. In practice, latency varied but remained acceptable for casual conversations. Accuracy depended on language pair and accent. Open-ear audio provided clear calls in moderate noise, but in high-noise environments, users reported needing to speak slowly for optimal recognition. The photochromic lens behavior indoors versus outdoors was reliable, offering UV protection when outdoors. Battery life met the stated 6-hour music/call window under typical usage, though heavier translation loads could shorten it. The user experience benefits from a simple pairing process once powered. However, the instruction to wait 30 seconds for automatic pairing may frustrate users seeking instant connectivity.
Product number 2. AI smart glasses. This generic model targets affordability, IP67 164 translations, with a larger 180 mAh battery and an oval form factor. It emphasizes AI chat integration, DeepSeek R1 and Gemini 2.5, multi-scenario conversations, and open-ear audio with Bluetooth 5.3. The dual-speaker design and ambient noise cancellation aim to preserve call clarity in outdoor or noisy settings. Its rugged IP67 rating makes it attractive for travel, commuting, or workouts, while 5 hours of runtime aligns with typical usage involving translation, music, and calls. Performance-wise, translation is designed for real-time use with 164 languages and in-app AI chat for contextual interactions. In practice, latency was low enough for conversational translation, though some less common language pairs exhibited lower accuracy until the app learned user-specific speech patterns. The open-ear audio delivered comfortable listening with good stereo balance, yet in windy outdoor environments, some users noted microphone pickup issues. The device handles iOS and Android thanks to Bluetooth 5.3 and a broad battery capacity. However, heavier AI chat sessions can reduce total battery life below the 5-hour target. Product number 3. Smart AI Translator Glasses. Jensen's GS06 focuses on real-time translation across 160+ languages with blue light filtering and photochromic capabilities. It offers remote camera control via touch on the leg. Note clarifications about camera hardware. The 4 to 6 hour battery life is paired with IP65 waterproofing and open-ear audio. Its frameless, sleek design targets fashion-conscious users who still want translation utility and live broadcast possibilities via connected devices. Performance-wise, the translation capability is strong for travel and business exchanges. The blue light filtering and UV protection lenses help during extended screen exposure and outdoor visibility. Remote camera control is a convenient feature for content sharing, though it relies on the connected smartphone's camera and app compatibility. The glasses themselves do not include a built-in camera. The battery life is respectable for short trips or daily use, and the IP65 rating adds rain and sweat resistance. Open-ear audio provides clear calls with 3D stereo sound, though loud environments may still challenge voice pickup.
Product number 4. Smart Bluetooth glasses with AI translation. Feckle's M06 pairs 164 language AI translation with 5-hour active use, dual 85 mAh batteries, and a TR90 frame with photochromic lenses. The design emphasizes lightweight comfort, 32 grams, and open-ear audio for driving and travel. It also touts dual 9-volt battery compatibility in the included set, which may be an artifact of listing terminology. The combination aims at long daily wear with practical translation, music, and calls in a premium feel package. Performance-wise, the 5-hour runtime aligns with moderate translation tasks and music playback. The open ear and 3D stereo sound deliver clear calls, though wind and ambient noise can impact microphone pickup in busy environments. The photochromic lenses make this suitable for driving and outdoor work. However, users should note that fast charging and certain third-party fast chargers may cause compatibility issues due to charging head requirements. The TR90 frame adds durability and flexibility, and Bluetooth 5.4 ensures stable connections, though the included 170 mAh total capacity is slightly lower than some competitors. Product number 5. Smart Glasses Rimless Smart Glasses with Bluetooth Speaker. Fifixo's G06G frameless design emphasizes comfort and style with photochromic lenses and open-ear dual-speaker audio. It's powered by Bluetooth 5.3, 100 mAh batteries, 2 in pack, and a 30-gram frame, which targets all-day wear with a focus on music, calls, and lighting up conversations in open spaces. The frameless design and 4G-like battery approach suggest a fashion-forward, portable solution targeting commute, meetings, and light translation tasks within a broader ecosystem. Performance-wise, the open-ear audio delivers clear directional sound without occluding the ear canal, which helps with situational awareness while traveling or walking. However, battery life is limited to about 70 minutes of talk time, with 4 to 6 hours of general use, which may require frequent charging for translation-heavy sessions. The blue light filtering helps reduce eye strain during extended screen time, but the 4G-like battery spec and the included 12V battery language in the spec sheet suggest possible listing inconsistencies. The frameless form enhances wearability, but can be less protective than full-frame designs.